In this video, I will be speed building a Lego Lucky Bamboo set 10344 from Botanical Collection. Opening the box, I found exactly what I expected, just 2 paper packets, staying true to the eco-friendly design of this collection. Okay, let's find the instructions. Let's build! I am opening packet number 1 and I'm very excited to see the pieces inside. Wow, this is going to be very elegant to build. I do like new paper bags, but you can't see if there are any pieces left inside. I always double check before disposing of them. Oh look, I found the lucky token! I wonder where it goes in this set. First things first, let's build the pot. I love brown color bricks, they remind me of chocolate. I'm starting to build the side of the pot. First one is done, 3 more to go. So far, I'm really enjoying this build. These corner pieces really nicely fit in. Aha, this is where the lucky token goes. And the pot is finished. On to second packet. I'm so excited to see the rest of the pieces, especially bamboo leaves. Double checking again, make sure there's no pieces left. Nope, it's all good. Now I'm building the center part of the pot. With a single click, it's all done and looking very nice. Moving on to the next part, building bamboo. This piece feels quite interesting. It's almost like a rubber. It kind of slides in, but it doesn't click in place. I'm hoping I'm doing this thing correctly. I need a bit of a strength here. This bamboo is going to be very, very strong. Okay, first one's done. Let's place it in the pot and see how it looks like. Just a click and it's in place. Okay, building the second bamboo. Technique with the second bamboo is exactly as the first one, but is ever so slightly shorter. Second one is done. Let's place it in the pot. They look so nice together. Moving on to building bamboo number 3. And technique is exactly the same as the first two, but this one is even shorter. All 3 bamboos are in the pot. They look very, very nice. And these are the holes for the leaves. They should all 3 be facing different directions. I hope I've done this correctly. Let's find out. Next step is building little bamboo branches. Okay, first one's done. 2 more to go. Little bamboo branches click in so easily. And now on to the final part, building actual leaves. I really like this shade of green. It looks really, really nice. So I made 9 sets of leaves, 3 for each branch. We have 3 bamboos, 3 branches and 3 sets of leaves on each branch. Lucky number 3. You can adjust the leaves to make it look more natural. And here it is, all finished and looking amazing. All that's left to do now is to add some grey stones to complete the look. These grey stones, they really go well with the pot. It looks fantastic. It looks absolutely beautiful and tranquil. Did you know that traditionally giving and receiving a bamboo plant is considered a lucky blessing of abundance and wealth? If you are searching for a unique gift for someone very special, this lucky bamboo set is the perfect choice. Whether you place it on a bookshelf or just a table, it will complement any room beautifully. Thank you for watching.